Want to go live, Chipper, right now? You want to go live?
Yeah, let's go viral, Kaz. Let's go.
Want to go live?
What do you think, Hubert? You want to go live?
Say choking happy?
Choking happy?
No.
Wow, Hubert, you got a wild one. Choking makes her happy.
Growl.
Rawr.
Chicken. You want to go live? Hey.
My mom's got a cold, so my mom's been coughing a lot, and every time my mom coughs, she always says,
Hey, Carol,
I'm choking on coughs. But when she, cough.
you go say hi or not?
Hello. Hi, Kazi.
You go say happy.
Happy.
It's chicken.
I beat you to it.
Thank you for the roses and everything, guys.
Quiet. You go happy.
Happy.
Quiet.
Okay. Yeah, let's go live.
Oh,
You're saying clock?
Conwell, I'm going to teach you
So,
how to say
that's that Carol Baskin.
You need to learn how to say thank you. That's one thing I could not ever teach her.
Sam,
Is
we go.
thank you. She'll just go, two simple words,
Yes, I say Happy Easter.
Cos.
Happy Easter. Yeah, that's 2 words too.
Carolyn says, "Hi, sweetie. You got a turkey for Carolyn? You got turkey? You do turkey for Carolyn? You turkey. Pop. You turkey. You do turkey. You want turkey?
Yeah, so you go live.
Kiki and friends.
Looks like
My name's Carol Baskin.
Sarja.
Sharcha.
Ask him what his name was, and then you shush him when he tries to tell
Quiet.
Quiet.
Wow.
you. Go.
Rawr.
Gotta go live. What?
Ruff, ruff.
What's that, buddy?
That's pretty funny.
That Carol Baskin.
Carol Baskin.
Wow.
No, it's Carol, not Carolyn.
Carol, not Carol
What's that, parrot?
Baskin. Yeah, what's up, parrot?
Parrot.
Oh, Billy Bird and Reggie, I haven't seen you so long. How are you?